I'm going to teach you how to make this wonderful necklace. I'm Tata Gardini. Follow me here to stay up to date with everything about crochet. I'm using a 4mm polyester yarn and a size 3 hook. Start by leaving a piece of yarn about 30 centimeters long. Then I make my slip knot and chain 3. Now I'm going to skip the first chain, go into the second and make a single crochet. In the same base stitch, I make another single crochet, and now in the last chain here I'll make a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet, all in the same base stitch. Before turning the work, I make a chain. Now yes, I turn and it's in the first chain. I'm going to make a single crochet, another single crochet, and in the next chain a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet, all in the same base stitch. Chain 1 and turn the work, and that's how I keep going. In the first chain, 2 single crochets, and in the second chain a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet. I keep doing this until I reach approximately 22 centimeters. Also leave 30 centimeters. At the end, cut the yarn. Now I take the yarn from the skein, measure it to match the initial length, and I'm going to close with a single crochet here at the beginning. At the tip, I'll make a single crochet directly. And in this middle part here, I'll yarn over and make a puff stitch with 5 yarn overs. Notice that I'm making 5 yarn overs and getting the right height. I close them all together and make a chain stitch on top. I go to the tip again and make a single crochet. Now again I yarn over and make 5 more yarn overs to form my stitch. Puff, remember to get the height right. At the correct height, I close them all together again and make a chain stitch. I'll do this until I reach the end. I also measure the thread so it stays even, cut it, and now I tie 2 knots, one right here close to the necklace and one at the tip. Cut off the remaining thread. I'm going to burn it here so the polyester thread doesn't fray. This is the result of our necklace. Let me know what you think, like this video and share it with that friend who will love it too. Don't forget to follow me. This is